But it's about passion and play. When you're out here and it's a hard-fought game, you know, you want to continue to play well. And you have guys like Warren Sapp. It doesn't matter about the money. It's all about pride, winning football games.
That just demonstrated that as well. You see, Trent got back good depth. It was a play designed to throw in rhythm. It was covered downfield. He had to get out of the pocket. When he tried to get out of the pocket and move forward, Sapp came off his block, and he hog-tied him and brought him down. There's a guy playing with some pride.
Loss of 2 on the play. Hang on 1 sec, Marshall. We ask you one more and then let you get out of here. Oh. Coming through is Robert Thomas from his inside backer position. He just really got in the hole.
You'll see Robert Thomas right in the middle of your screen here. He reads it right now. They're going to try to fake the pass and then run the draw. Trent will pump. Here it comes. He sees it right now. There's no one to pick him up. Wham! Down it goes.
Marshall, one more quick thing. When the two teams have played so differently, the defensive club has played well, and the offensive club has played poorly. You would imagine there's some disagreement on the club. I'll talk to you about that in just a little bit. Let's get this 3rd and 15 first. Green getting out of trouble. Lofting this one into the arms and out of the arms of Fabian Washington. The Chiefs will turn it over on down.
The Raiders brought the blitz. They haven't been a big blitzing team. You'll see number 24 coming in right there. Michael Huck coming in. Trent gets out of there, and he's trying to heave it as deep as he can, falling back. It isn't going to go as far as he'd like it to go. Darnier picked off by Fabian Washington.
And so Lawrence Hines will come on and attempt a 45-yard field goal.
He's 7 for 9 from this distance this year.
This one's going to sail wide right.
Sweet.